Hey there, welcome to our channel. Today we're diving into a common problem that many laptop users might face. Imagine you just got yourself a brand new Asus ROG G16 2023 laptop with powerful specs, perfect for designing and animation. However, while using it, you notice a significant lag in performance that's hindering your workflow. Quite the nuisance, right? Now, let's talk about the solution to this pesky problem. It seems like your system is utilizing the integrated iGPU of the CPU instead of the Nvidia GPU, which is causing the lag. The fix is simple. You can manually force the laptop to use the Nvidia GPU specifically for the application causing trouble. You can achieve this through the Nvidia app or the Nvidia control panel. Remember, it's all about ensuring that the right GPU is being used for the task at hand to optimize performance. Solution aside, it's worth noting that newer Windows operating systems might override these settings, leading to the same performance issues. In such cases, don't fret. Simply head over to Windows Settings, navigate to Display, then Graphics, and configure the specific app, like Animate, for high performance. By taking these steps, you'll ensure a smoother and more efficient experience while working on your design and animation projects. To sum it all up, identifying and utilizing the correct GPU can make a world of difference in the performance of your laptop, allowing you to work seamlessly without any annoying lags. So, remember to tweak those settings and get the most out of your powerful Asus ROG G16 2023. Thanks for tuning in today. Make sure to subscribe, like the video, and drop a comment below with your thoughts. Until next time, happy designing and animating.